You have your retirement account, your investment portfolio. You probably trade S&P 500 if you live in the US, have stocks and bonds. But we learned last time that you need to have a gold and cash, not just bonds and stocks. And we described why. We looked and realized how recession looks like, and we learned what is the bull market, what is the bear market. But now we need to understand that the high probability is that during the recession we have a gold increase, either in the 80s, 70s, or maybe during the biggest recession 12 years ago. So if you realize that, we know that we need to be prepared if recession is coming. So the first step is obviously we have a high inflation, price go high and high. Then the country do some kind of intervention, interest rate increase, we have a dollar increase, and then many investors turn to gold to protect their assets. Because market is down, it's a dangerous opportunity for stock trading, and a lot of people invest money in precious metals. Now, in this video, we will talk about Augusta Precious Metals Company View. Hello, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and we will try to learn here how you can diversify your savings with a gold individual retirement account. Here right now you see Joe Montana, he's the ambassador of this great American company. But before we do that, please, just below this video, there is a link where you can download the YouTube from this YouTube channel. You can download the PDF, everything about Augusta Gold IRA whole guide. And additionally, below this link, you can see the link that will lead you to the Gold Web conference that held by Augusta company. So please just go below this video and see these links and check it out, because they're very valuable, and you will see a lot of information that I will not provide you in this video. So let me go further. First, what is gold individual retirement account? A gold IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows investors to hold, look this, physical gold or other precious metals, unlike standard IRAs. So the best thing that you need to remember, you have a right to hold physical gold or other precious metals. And how that looks like, it's very simple. You have your traditional account, it's a blue collar, usually you trade S&P 500, but you can take a piece of that, usually 15 or 20% of your investment account, and then you can invest in precious metals and using the separate gold IRA account. And this combination is good during the recession time because you use some kind of diversification and you try to protect your asset, because you know that when we have a recession, the S&P 500 and stocks will go down. It can be 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 2 years. We had a couple years last time, huge recession during the 2008, 2009, 2010. But after that, when recession is done, you can always invest again in stocks and everything when market recover, and you can increase your wealth. So this is in theory, and this channel, like I said, this is the channel where we just educate people and try to show the great companies that I like and that I like to promote. So the next thing I want to tell you is about Augusta Precious Metals Company, some facts. So these facts I just found on the internet and in the correspondence with some people there. Augusta Precious Metals has 97 employees and brings almost 19 million in revenue each year. One characteristics of this company is that they encourage their sales and customer service teams to spend a lot of time with clients and potential investors, educating them about precious metals, IRA investing, and benefits in owning a physical gold and silver bullion. So this is the main characteristic of this company, because they will not just put it and try to close a deal. No. The first is education. You need to know everything before you do anything. And this is the best thing. I never see that kind of company that so much effort invest in education. And for every new investor, you will receive a personalized web conference. And of course, like I said, If you want to see that web conference, just go there below this video, the second link where you can read or visit the page to watch Gold IRA web conference. Press go there and watch whole conference, and you will learn and know more about these investment types very soon. Now let me bring why should I choose this company. This is the main question, and just I want to share with you. There is two things that I like here, and this is the two things why I choose to cooperate with this company. The first one is you will pay no additional fees or surcharges beyond the cost of the metal itself and taxes. So no hidden fees. And I like this because competition companies like to charge some fees, everything to charge additionally, but Augusta will not. And this is the excellent thing. And the next thing that's remarkable for me, that in this kind of business last 12 years, customer reviews is almost 5, but the one thing is very important. This business has, look this, 0 complaints. So if you go to the business bureau rating company and check this company, you will see this. And this is something that's extraordinary because they work with individuals. You know, if you work with individuals, if you try to sell the shoes, not financial things, sell the shoes, you have a problem with individuals, complaints. And can you believe when you find out people who invest money, how that is complicated, and you should have a complaint. It's a normal thing in business. But Augusta, this business has 0 complaints, and they work so much they have a 0 complaint. And this is something it's extraordinary. So why we stand right now? Let me see that. Let me see this fact right from the web. Okay, right now I'm in Google. So I will just search this term, Business Bureau, and I will go to the website, and then I will just search for Augusta Precious Metals. Yes, this is it. I will search this, and this is the business profile of the company. Now look this, like I said, 4.94 from 5 from 109 customer reviews. This business has 0 complaint, and it's a A+ accredited business, accredited since 2015. So this is the something that it's extraordinary when you talk on any company. Now let me go to the Augusta Precious Metals website, and you will see that is the main homepage, and there is a lot of videos, not just all educating, some just promote the company, but you can see the main people here. Joe Montana as ambassador, David Stale as a director, and you can see basic things about company, about Augusta Gold and Silver, buying products, etc. But there is something else that I want to show you. I want to show you something that first I need to log in my Augusta account, and when I log in my Augusta account, I will show you one very interesting table that excellently present what is the difference from Augusta and competitors. Right now I'm in the Augusta Precious Metals portal. So the main thing is, when you become a client, you just need to relax, and first you need to educate yourself as much as you can, to check the company, to read a lot of PDFs, YouTube videos, to analyze the web conference, talk with that people, and ask for everything that you need to know. And when you 100% are sure and become a client of them, you just need to relax, because they're professionals, and they will all contracts, taxes, everything that you need to do, they will provide you and do for you. So the biggest issue here, and the biggest problem here that we can ask, why should I go to some other company? Because there is a lot of companies that do this similar business. And in this portal, on the website, when you become a client, you can read very interesting table, and just I want to share that table with you. It's 15 reasons why Augusta is the best. So one of the things is the 5-star rating, and if you go and check other companies very similar, they have much lower ranking than Augusta. I will not do that because it's bad marketing for other companies, but just check that. This is one thing that put me on the side for this company. Then celebrities. Joe Montana is one of the famous celebrities, and he's a full ambassador. He's all the time, he make interviews, promote his company all the time. And for other companies, some celebrities have products with other companies, which creates a conflict of interest. Then Augusta has one of the free educational web conference designed by Augusta and staff with hardware trained economists. It teaches about gold, IRA process and fees, economy, inflation, reasons to buy gold, how the gold IRA industry works and never. And other companies do not work a lot on education. Then the Augusta company is rating A+, while other companies are not so good and or have a complaint, like I said in the first chapter. Then compliance and transparency, a major part of Augusta business. They won't pretend to be financial advisors in this unregulated in this industry. So I'm not your financial advisor in this video, and you know that Augusta experts will not be your financial advisor. You should have your own financial advisor if you want that. But the most important thing, they will give you all facts that you need to know and try to educate in this field, and then you can become their client. So they have a system. In that system, you cannot become a client just to be like a sheep. You need to educate yourself before you become the client. And the good thing is, it is good to be educated when you want to manage your fund and manage your investment. So it's a very, very important thing. Then I will skip some things. I just want to share something that good thing is there is a loyal base of customers, repeat businesses, because this company started after the huge crisis at 2008, and after that a lot of clients lose a lot of pension funds and money, and then they become clients to Augusta Capital, and right now they're repeat, come back, invest more and more, reduce, increase, and they're loyal customers and loyal clients, and something in the business, it's the most important thing. The good thing is that I just skipped some things, and Augusta provides account lifetime support far beyond the first transaction. So you don't need just, first transaction, after that go your own. They're for you. So you will always have good education and good information for them, and it's very, very important, like I said, in business. The good thing is they're specialized. So Augusta Precious Metals, they're specialized in gold and silver. This is it. It will not offer you Bitcoin, or it will not offer you cryptos or this and this. They're just specialized in gold and silver. They find some beautiful niche for them. They're very good. They're experts, and they will concentrate on gold and silver. And this is it. And this is the good thing. I like when somebody specializes in the business, and it's good when you talk with them, you see that then they specialize in gold and silver. And the last thing just I want to add on the end is that they offer you free transit insurance and shipping for qualified orders. So other companies maybe don't cover these costs, but Augusta Precious Metals, they will offer you free transit insurance and shipping for qualified orders. And this is the real right thing. So I hope that this video help you to understand all this business, and that you need to talk with these people, try conference, see PDF to have your opinion. But I like companies that think about reputation and think about education and clients. I'm just 1 year with them, and for all other brokers and the financial institutions, I work more than 10 years. And in the future, I will just make more videos and tell you if something is not good with this company. For now, they're very, very good. Excellent communication, excellent support. They always 24 hours website. Somebody will talk with you. They have a good way of communication with potential clients. They know to show things, to explain things. They have a lot of patience. So I hope that you have patience too when you watch this channel. So On the end, I just want to tell you this. Just below this video, you will have two links. One link to download Augusta Gold PDF guide, and below that you will have special link to visit the page to watch Gold IRA web conference. I wish you a great day and bye bye.